Incessant rains over the last 24 hours have led to devastating floods in parts of Maharashtra, with 3 districts flooded and 2 districts facing a flood-like situation. This is the heaviest spell of rain in the state in July in 40 years. The Navy has been roped in for the rescue and evacuation. Several teams of National Disaster Response Force and SDRF personnel have also been deployed for rescue operation in the Konkan region. While Ratnagiri, Raigad, Kolhapur districts are flooded, Sangli and Amravati are facing a flood-like situation already. More than 50% area of the coastal town of Chiplun in Ratnagiri, around 250 kilometers from Mumbai and having a population of over 70,000, has got submerged in floodwaters. A terrifying video from Chiplun also shows few people trying to pull up a woman from a flooded area using what appears to be a rope. The woman clings on to the rope as she is pulled up, but just as she nears the terrace of the building, the rescuers lose grip and she falls into the water. There are more horrifying visuals coming in from the western coast of Maharashtra. Moving swiftly, the NDRF and SDRF teams, along with the local agencies, shifted over 5,000 marooned people in towns of Chiplun, Mandangad and Khed, besides many other villages to safer areas. Several big and small rivers, dams, lake ponds and other water bodies in these districts were above the danger levels or overflowing, and the situation worsened with dams discharging excess waters, inundating the roads, railway line bridges, agricultural farms and fields. Meanwhile, several people are missing after a landslide in Raigad, which also led to roads being blocked. Local police rescued 15 people and at least 30 people are still trapped inside the debris after the landslide. 4 incidents of landslide were reported in Raigad, which has blocked the road. Rain has washed away the road to Talai village, which is causing a problem, Nidhi Chaudhary, district collector of Raigad, Maharashtra, has said. Now, officials have also said that Ratnagiri bore the brunt of rains in the past 24 hours, with many towns and villages getting waterlogged from 3 am onwards, with the high tide in the Arabian Sea pushing back the floodwater in the coastal areas. At least 27 villages in Ratnagiri's Mangaon were cut off, with all approach state and local roads, bridges flooded as local rivers inundated the region, and the local authorities were trying to send the rescue teams. Several towns and cities like Bhivandi, Badlapur, Ulhasnagar, Kalyan, Dombivli, Chiplun, Khed, Sawantwadi, Mangaon, Mandangad, Kudal, Mahad and others were inundated in 3 to 6 feet water and the higher in some low-lying areas. Floodwaters rushed into shops, offices, homes and ground floor flats, while around half a dozen homes were damaged or collapsed. Many big and small vehicles were fully submerged or washed away, and people remained trapped inside their homes for hours without electricity and without sufficient food. This morning, 7 people died and 3 were injured after a building collapsed in Mumbai's Govandi area. The Mumbai-Goa highway has also been cut off for the traffic due to severe flooding in the region. The Met Department has issued a red and orange alert for several regions in Maharashtra that are set to receive heavy rainfall in the next few days. In view of the rain and flood situation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. He also took to Twitter to assure help. Prime Minister Modi tweeted, assured all possible support from the centre to mitigate the situation, praying for everyone's safety and well-being. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Thursday held an emergency meeting to take stock of the situation and asked the disaster management units and other departments responsible to stay vigilant and start rescue operations immediately.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.